Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to sign out of your Google account step by step. Whether you're switching accounts, lending your device to someone else, or just keeping things secure, signing out keeps your personal data safe and private. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots. Tap those 3 dots to open the menu. Now, from that menu, scroll down a bit and tap Settings. This is where all your account options and app preferences are kept. It might take you to a screen showing your current Google account details at the top. Tap your Google account or the email address you're currently using. Once you've selected your account, scroll down through the options that appear. Near the bottom, you'll find the option labeled Sign Out. Go ahead and tap Sign Out. Your device may ask for confirmation just to make sure you really want to log out. If that happens, tap again to confirm. That's it, you've successfully signed out of your Google account. The next time you open Chrome, you'll notice that your profile picture and saved settings are no longer connected. If you want to sign in again later, you can easily do so from the same menu by tapping Sign In and entering your information. Remember, signing out is a great habit when you use a shared or public device. It helps protect your passwords, browsing history, and personal files from being accessed by others. Thank you for watching.